everybody, it's Dawn with Candy Cane Ridge. I wanted to show you today how to make this fun, quick placemat flag project. Stick around and I'm going to show you how to make it. I will link in the description the cutting requirements and fabric measurements. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you'll be notified the next time a video drops. I'll see you at the sewing machine. So we've got everything laid out here to get started. We've got our blue for our flag piece and we have our red and white stripes. I'm gonna stack these up. I'm gonna stitch this section first, and then we're going to stitch this section. I'm just gonna stitch right sides together. We're gonna be stitching with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Finger pressing my seams to the red. Now I'm going to take my blue Thank you for joining me on our flag placemat project. Make sure you've hit that like and subscribe button to be notified the next time a video drops. And if you like sewing and quilting, or if you're just getting started and you're wanting to learn, make sure that you're a member of our Holiday Quilters Club. We have new projects every month delivered straight to your inbox. Go take a look, candycaneridge.com. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.